This is section 2.3, standard form, day 2. Today we're going to talk about how to graph equations in standard form. And to do that, we're going to need to know what an x-intercept and a y-intercept is. So an x-intercept is where the graph crosses the x-axis. So to find it, we plug in 0 for y and solve for x. Y-intercept works the same way, except opposite. So it's where the graph crosses the y-axis. So we find it by plugging in 0 for x and solving. That's going to help us graph equations in standard form because we need to find those intercepts, graph them, and then connect the 2 points. So let's look at what this is going to look like. On this first example, 3x plus 4y equals 12, let's find the x-intercept first. So to find the x-intercept, we plug in 0 for y and solve for x. So 3x equals 12, divide both sides by 3, x equals 4. So I'm going to graph that point for 0 on my graph. Then let's do the same thing to find the y-intercept. So now we're going to plug in 0 for x, 4y equals 12, 4y equals 12, divide both sides by 4, y equals 3. So our y-intercept is at 0, 3. And once we have both of those points, all we're going to do is play connect the dots and graph those 2 points. All right. When I get that gone. Oh. All right, so let's look at another example. Looking at the second example, let's find the x-intercept. So that means we're going to plug in 0 for y and solve for x. So 2x equals 4, x equals 2. Find our y-intercept. 2 times 0 minus y equals 4. So negative y equals 4. Y equals negative 4 by dividing by negative 1. So graph my intercepts. So 2, 0, and 0, negative 4. And then we just connect the dots. All right, last one. X plus 3y equals negative 9. Let's find the x-intercept. So x plus 3 times 0 equals negative 9. So x is equal to negative 9. And find the y-intercept. 0 plus 3y equals negative 9. 3y equals negative 9. So y equals negative 3. Go ahead and graph those. Our x-intercept is negative 9. Which is over here. And then our y-intercept is negative 3. And then we just connect the dots.